Baru pemanasan. Panjang Haji. Ri,
Pakai bos.
suruh main kelereng.
Ali sini Ali, ini cucu.
Oh,
Cucu anu.
kalau bomnya itu boleh di itu nggak sih? Ya mati.
Ini vice presidennya microwave ya? Tolong rekam gua. Hi guys, I'm really proud of this. This is the second time trip for me especially, and I hope the next trip we will explore our next island, maybe Denpasar, and we'll try to keep trying Ubud Bali is a good place for trying together, spend my time together, and I'm really proud of Tekom, especially 44th. Thanks a lot, Mr. Vice President. Ciao.